Hey class, my name's Gaurav, and today we're going to go over the different ways of differentiating a triangle. But before we start, can anyone remind me what a triangle is?
A
Kevin.
triangle is a shape that has three different sides.
Exactly, so it looks kind of like that. But now, can you tell me the special property of a triangle? I'll give you a hint, it has to do with the angles of each triangle. Yeah, Gautama.
They add up to 180.
Exactly. So this angle over here, plus that, and plus that one, all adds up to 180 degrees. And it doesn't matter what the triangle looks like. It can look like that, it can look like that. All of these will have the same angle measure of 180 degrees. So now let's go into the different ways of differentiating a triangle with their angles. So first we have acute. Now y'all know that an acute angle is something that's below 90 degrees. And all it means is for a triangle is that it's a triangle that has sides of which the angles are all less than 180, or are all less than 90 degrees. Can anyone tell me what an obtuse triangle is then?
It's an angle that's greater than 90.
Exactly. So that means that one of the angles in a triangle is greater than 90 degrees. Now, can one of you tell me if it's possible to have a triangle with two obtuse angles? Yeah, Gautama.
It's not,
And why so?
because then it would be over 180 degrees.
Exactly. So you have to remember those two rules that we went over at the beginning. And finally, can anyone tell me what a right triangle is? Yeah, Kevin.
It's when one angle measure is 90 degrees.
Exactly. So the way that we show that in math is with this little square over here, and that just means that that line is perpendicular to that line, and that angle over there is 90 degrees. So it seems like y'all have your angles down. So let's go over the sides. Does anyone know what an equilateral triangle is? Telvin.
It's a triangle with three equal sides.
Exactly. And the way that we show that when we write it is with a line on each of the sides. And that line just means that they're all congruent, which is the same size and same shape. Can anyone tell me what an isosceles triangle is? Kevin.
It's when there are two sides that are the same.
Exactly. And same thing, we have these two lines, but we only put them on two of the sides because only two of the sides are the same with an isosceles triangle. And finally, does anyone know what a scalene triangle is? Gautama.
It's when none of the sides are the same.
Exactly. So you don't have any of those lines on any of the sides because none of the sides are equal to each other. Now I'm just going to quiz you for a little bit, just draw a couple of different triangles, and I want you to tell me what angle it is and what sides they have. So what about this triangle over here? Telvin.
That's an acute equilateral triangle
And why is that?
because it has three equal sides and all the angles are acute.
Exactly. What about this one over here?
That one's an acute scalene triangle.
No, that's close. But what does this angle measure over here look like? Is that less than 90 degrees or is that greater than?
Oh wait, it's greater than 90 degrees.
Yeah, so what does that make it?
That's an obtuse scalene triangle.
Exactly. So it seems like y'all are understanding this really well, so let's just go over here to celebrate all your success. So with the angles, acute, obtuse, right, these angles don't give me fright. Let's all do it together. Acute, obtuse, right, these angles don't give me fright. Now with the sides. Equilateral, isosceles, scalene, these triangles aren't so mean. Equilateral, isosceles, scalene, these triangles aren't so mean. Yeah, now let's do it all together, just combine the two. Acute, obtuse, right, these angles don't give me fright. Equilateral, isosceles, scalene, these triangles aren't so mean. Thanks so much.